The science of miracle is a kind of oxymoron. Science is reasoning, and miracle is beyond reasoning. Okay, which do you want? The best way of introducing you the secret of science and the secret of miracles is to give you a very concrete example of ChatGPT and look at the way ChatGPT answers your questions. This kind of speed with which the answer comes through. And I asked a question once, can you work like or discover like Einstein? ChatGPT said, no, I can't. But I can do better in some respect to beat Einstein. Einstein won't be able to think as fast as I do. Okay, that is true. But Einstein can write equations, I can't write equations. The science of miracle is a kind of oxymoron. Science is reasoning, and miracle is beyond reasoning. Okay, which do you want? You need both. And they are not opposites. They are not opposites. It may look like opposites, but they are not. To be precise and scientific, and also at the same time somewhat mystical, is for you to, I'm giving you this example that will explain things very easily and very convincingly, and also graphically, and also more profitable for you to understand. There are two parts of the brain. One is the pineal gland, which is a very small organ, which is in the middle of the brain, and which is called the third eye. And that is associated with miracles. It's beyond reasoning. And if the third eye is open, you think and manifest. The third eye opening means when it becomes active, it's not active now. It's blind now. It is the center of light, wisdom, miracle. And that is the miracle part of the brain. There is another miracle part of the brain, which is the cerebellum at the back of the brain. That's the old brain. These are the two parts of the brain that are associated with the miracles. You can think, you have to act from the third eye. You have to act from the cerebellum. As opposed to these two organs, there is predominantly the frontal lobe, which is the decision-making brain, which is the quintessence of rationality. Or rational brain is everywhere. Of course, the neocortex is primarily the rational brain. But then, when the decision has to be made, it has to be made in the frontal lobe. So that's why I said the frontal lobe is associated with the rational brain, the decision-making brain. So you have to combine the two. They are all both within us, within the brain. The brain is everything. The brain is everything. The reason why the third eye is so powerful, because that is the seat of the soul. The soul has no limitation. The soul knows everything.